An Indian traders body has written to the country's finance minister Arun Jaitley seeking investigation into the potential health hazards posed by currency notes. The Confederation of All India Traders has also urged the minister to take preventive measures to protect people from diseases caused due to the contamination of currency notes. The traders body quoted findings from various studies which claimed that the notes have the potential to transmit several diseases, including urinary and respiratory tract infection, skin infection, recurring meningitis, toxic shock syndrome, and gastrointestinal diseases. The body added that not just the government, but also other medical institutions of the country should come forward and investigate the matter. According to research, some Indian currency notes carry high level of bisphenols, which may cause genetic damage and cancer. But what makes currency notes more dangerous is the fact that it is transmitted from one person to another and hence becomes a carrier of germs and communicable diseases. The bacteria from currency notes infect the body through scratches on the hands or when one touches the mouth, eyes or nose after coming into contact with the notes. Notes are also contaminated due to the poor handling, nasal secretions and aerosols generated from sneezing and coughing, making currencies highly dangerous. And to add to these, some idiosyncrasies like using saliva on fingers while counting money. In fact, India got its most recent dose of reality check 2 years ago, right after demonetization. In 2016, in the weeks following the announcement of note bans, several bank staffers reported that they were suffering from allergies, breathing problems and rashes due to the increased handling of the notes. However, this is not endemic to India or the Indian rupee alone. Contaminated currency notes are a big threat across the world. Take a look at this. A research carried out by the Health Commissioner of New York on a few currency notes some years back found that while one note had 135,000 germs, the other had 126,000 germs. The United States Centers for Disease Control and Prevention estimates that 36,000 Americans die each year from flu-related causes, and 10% of them receive the flu from paper currency. A Boshenstein research found that 90% of the South African notes circulated during 1997 were contaminated with either bacteria or fungi. Meanwhile, in the year 2000, 99% of the 5,000 banknotes sampled from London in the UK had traces of cocaine on them. Now remember, cocaine is a source of hepatitis C, and one can only imagine how many lives are at risk each day due to something as ordinary as exchanging currency. Amidst all this, Japan has come up with a phenomenal solution. Tokyo has now installed clean ATMs where customers can insert currency notes and get them laundered. In fact, the machine feeds the notes through a roller which heats them and kills around 90% of the bacteria.